Hello everybody, this is Ramesh explaining the homework 8 of Design and Analysis of Reconfigurable Systems, EE6370. So to start off the assignment, we will have to download the Linux Ubuntu software which is compatible with our FPGA. After downloading that, we get an image. Then we also download the disk imager. So on downloading the disk imager and selecting our file here, then we click on our SD card drive here. Right now I have not put the SD card because it's already done, but we click on the drive here and then click on write, so the entire OS will be written on the SD card. After which we connect our SD card here to our FPGA here and then change the configurations in the back of our FPGA here. Then after doing that and connecting the VGA cable to the monitor, the Linux gets booted and we have our Linux booted up in our FPGA. After installing the Linux, we'll have to download a number of software into our Windows laptop. So we have to install the Intel's Embedded Systems software, which gets installed in here, the Embedded Systems software. Then we also install the Sigwin software, which is a Linux emulator for Windows. It allows the Unix or Linux applications to be compiled and run on Windows. Then we also install MinGW, which allows to support the GCC compiler on Windows. And then we go to the batch file and here, Embedded Systems, Host Tools, Linago, and go to the batch file, make some changes so that Linago bare metal toolchain, which helps in executing instructions directly in logic hardware without an intervening operating system. So after which we go to Embedded and we run this batch file. On running this batch file, we get this command prompt and we go into the directory which has our first program, that is our first HPS code. Then we type make as shown here, after which the new files are generated. So these new files I will copy into this new file. I will copy into a USB, transfer it to my Linux. I connected my USB drive here to my FPGA. Then I went and copied the file into my home folder. After copying it to the home folder, I ran this command to make it to an executable form. Then I executed the program on typing the password. We can see it shows hello UTD in our outputs.